Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Bhilai location. It is from Chhattisgarh. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there is a job opening for senior SEM analyst position. It is from Uploads. So it will be work from home. And coming to responsibilities, you need to manage and keep a track of ROI and compiling regular spend reports for campaigns, and ability to communicate effectively and confidently, and understands the business and work towards achieving their KPIs, and weekly, fortnightly and monthly reporting of the accounts with data insights, and keeps up to date with industry updates and experiments, drawing the strategies, executing and analyzing the profitability, and coordination with the other teams to get the right assets and the execution done. Next, coming to skills required, the candidates are having the ability to work independently and as a part of a team, and knowledge or experience in working in-house or agency, working methodology and culture, and ability to work flexibly and towards tight deadlines, and high proficient in MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and also experience with coding and conversion tracking will be an added advantage. And the candidate should be having the knowledge of PPC campaign management tools but not limited to, Google AdWords Editor, Yahoo Advertising Platform, MSN Ad Center, Facebook Ads Manager and LinkedIn Campaign Manager, and proven track record of management of paid search campaigns, Google, Yahoo, MSN, mobile paid search campaigns, GDN and shopping ads, and in-depth knowledge of paid social campaigns, Facebook and LinkedIn creation, drawing the strategies and analyzing the performance. So interested candidates, you can also check here with the rest of the skills mentioned here, and if you want to know more detailed information about this job role and also to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for content writer position. It is from Sport Gully from Bhilai, and coming to responsibilities, you need to research topics to verify accuracy and keenly follow major sports events and stay up to date with the sports news, and provide precise details for the design and production team to create the content, and create new content to assist managing marketing campaigns, and work closely with marketing team members and create captivating narratives which catch users' attention on the platform of interest. And coming to qualifications, bachelor's degree in marketing and relevant work experience, experience in full life cycle project management, proficiency in major digital and print platforms, minimum 1 year of experience is required. So fresher candidates are also eligible to apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for quality analyst position. It is from Techment Technology, and the job type will be full-time and associate. So 3 to 6 years of experience is required for this position, and 1 year of experience in automation is required. And coming to roles and responsibilities, it would be like you should be having the experience working in an agile or scrum development process, and experience with performance and or security testing is a plus. Demonstrate a high level of accountability, initiate flexibility and the ability to manage workload and achieve results, and work as a team player who owns his or her area and understands success requires a high degree of creativity to discover or create a solution that will delight the client. So these are the responsibilities. So interested candidates, you can check here with all the details mentioned here, and if you want to know more detailed information, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing specialist position. It is from the Digi Jugaad, and coming to responsibilities, you need to create and upload copy and images for the organization's website, write and dispatch email marketing campaigns, provide accurate reports and analysis to clients and company management to demonstrate effective return on investment, and research new online media opportunities that may benefit the business, including mobile, social media, and development of blogs and forums, design website banners and assist with web visuals, and communicate with the clients, affiliate networks and affiliate partners, conduct keyword research and web statistics reporting. So you can check here with the responsibilities. Next, coming to requirements, you can check here with all the requirements, and if you want to know more detailed information about this position, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for relationship manager position. It is from Angel Broking Limited, and coming to responsibilities, dialogue with their clients to understand their business objectives and challenges, and analyze clients' data and provide strategic recommendations to clients, and present value proposition to sales leads and current customers, and prospect of new sales leads and close sales. And coming to qualifications, you should be having the 1 to 2 years of client relationship experience and ability to manage multiple projects and clients, strong communication and interpersonal skills. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for admission manager position. It is from International Institute of Aviation. So let us discuss about the job. The candidate must have experience in counseling students for admission and education sector, and explain about admission procedures and courses offered to the prospective students and their parents through phone calls, emails, and face-to-face meetings, and participate in educational events, college fairs, information sessions, and recruitment activities as a representative of the institute. So you need to maintain regular communication with the students and parents for coordinating admission activities and addressing the concerns. So like visiting clients as and when required, and support for students admissions. So these are the job responsibilities, and you can check here the rest of the responsibilities. So if you want to know more detailed information and also to apply for this position, you can check in the description once for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for search engine optimizer position. It is from Ayodhya Websoft, and coming to requirements, the candidate should be having the prior experience in content marketing, content growth and SEO, and working knowledge of search engine optimization practices, and the outstanding ability to think creatively and strategically and identify and resolve problems, and also having excellent verbal and written communication skills, and also some skills required. You can check here with some of the skills mentioned. And coming to responsibilities, writing effective SEO content for blogs, websites, and social media accounts, and filling websites and other content with effective keywords, and writing powerful calls to action to convert visitors, and running PPC campaigns. And also you need to identify powerful keywords to drive the most valuable traffic, and also prepare detailed strategy reports. So here some of the responsibilities are mentioned. You can also check with that also. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description once for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for Android developer. It is from Gamezo Private Limited, and coming to about the job, they are looking for an experienced Android developer with more than 2 years of experience under their built-in creating apps using Kotlin language to create amazing experience for the users. And you will be working alone in a dynamic team of programmers and marketers to help create mobile app experience for their clients users. So these are the job details. So interested candidates, if you are looking for this type of job role, so if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.